Welcome back guys to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about SFP, SafePal, potential targets for this year and the next upcoming bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. First of all, you have to know SafePal, they got real physical product. It's SafePal hardware wallet for $50 on official website. They got application, they got extension, so it's pretty useful. Now, all coins in circulation supply. To hit 1 billion, we need to touch $2 price. If we compare, for example, with TVT, now SafePal is 48 cents, TVT 87, but look, total supply almost 1 billion on TVT and only 41% in circulation supply. That's why if you want to choose between what to buy, TVT now or SFP, I'm not giving you financial advice. I would like to choose SafePal. So if we take a look on this chart, one more time, we can see all this time period, February, March, April, May, it was end of bull run, and many coins launched exactly in December, January, February, before the end of bull run. And it was pretty smart, to launch the product here, because look, this one candle, weekly candle listing on Binance February, here's the top $4.45. Of course, at that time we got a less coin circulation supply, then we collapse it down, touch here. This one, zero level, bounce to 78, collapse it down to 27 zone in May 2021, June 2021, June 2021 bounce, and 2 times touch at 0.5 level by FIB. Then we get a magic because we collapse it down, and here in November 2022, one more time, manipulation, before FTX collapse, we can see this perfect squeeze exactly till penny, we touch 18 level by FIB, 81 cents, 39. Then collapse it down one more time. So now we trade under 27 zone, here almost touch, reject, almost touch, reject, reject. So basically now it can be the good time to buy. Of course, every single time we have a chance to drop lower than the listing price. Every single time we can see the squeeze down, and collapse it down. So 1 billion market cap, it's only around 23 level by FIB. So to hit previous all-time high, this one in February 2021, $4.44, 2 billion 220. It's more than real, Next stage, it's to hit 1.61 level by FIB, $6.35, $6.35, over than 3 billions. Is it possible? Like I always tell you, in crypto, everything possible. Everything possible, but I don't know. I can tell you, yes, this wallet coin will pump to 3 billion market cap. I'm not sure, Based on this FIB, just a local correction for this year, what we can expect, it's $2.09, with crazy hype, minimal target, what we can expect, it's going to test zero level, liquidate these guys and these guys, and come back down to test 27 zone once again. So $1.36 for this year, it's more than real, and it will be not so crazy pump, because from this low, to $1.36, it's going to be around 369% gains. And we can close, look, this one, it's, I would like to add horizontal line, horizontal ray here. It's going to be $1.48. So we will close weekly gap, full fill. Go over zero level and collapse it down one more time to test 18 level by FIB, 81 cents. Maybe with some hype, I don't know, we can test 23. Based on this FIB, at least we can go to $3.27. So this guy's liquidation, and over than all-time high. So this area can be more than real, 3 billions, 175 millions. So I'm not sure about $10, but these targets can be real, because no seller pressure, because all coins circulation supply. Let's take a look now on monthly gaps. Based on monthly gaps, we got only this one, tiny one. That's why one more time, only one monthly gap we got. So it's a fulfill of weekly gap and it's a fulfill of monthly gap, 0 level. So this level will be like a magnet, for SFP. Everything pretty simple. Now let's take a look on indicator set. Now let's go and double check this chart with my custom indicator set. And I'll recommend you go and watch this big tutorial how to work with my indicator set 6-in-1. A to Z. One more time why we can. After this pump, after, for example, this move or even this move, we can collapse it down. Because now we can start forming the divergence and we can see the pump here and here. And we can see divergence for collapse. So this is how it looks like because biggest accumulation was here in May 2021. That time we didn't see any accumulation. So basically, weekly time frame looks good only for or accumulation for long run or accumulation for this local speculation. If we take a look on a monthly, we are in the middle. That's why on a monthly we can pump or dump in any direction, So it's hard to say. Let's take a look on direction. On direction here we got confirmation signal to buy. If we zoom in, here was only one time accumulation. So at 38 cents till 29, 28 even, the whales accumulate and we got a signal to buy. So it's good, it's good. Basically, yes, we have all chances to move 81 cents and then drop it down. If we take a look on market mood, on a weekly, it was disbelief zone here. It's a great time to use DCA strategy on a weekly for investors, So a market mood on a weekly time frame, you use like accumulation stages with DCA strategy. So you can buy in here. So we came in, so for example, here after distribution, we came in disbelief. Nobody believed in this coin. You buying at 63, for example. Then we drop it down. You buying at 54, not touching anymore. So your average can be around 60. Then we collapse it down one more time to this low, 29. You buying again. Your average now around 50, for example. Then you can buy it again here at 32 and not touching. When we came into blue mood, you're not touching if you're buying in white zone. If you're buying in a blue zone, it's your choice, So in average, if you bought this time, your average entry can be around 45, 50. So now you can be in some profit. For a long run, it's more than good entry point. Every single time we have a chance to drop even the low on the listing price. So yes, keep in mind that. But your average entry can be much better than people who buying, for example, in this green zone at 73 cents or in this zone at 74. So this is how it works. Or even much better than people who bought in the extreme red zone at $2.60 or $2. So you're just waiting on a weekly time frame. On a daily, it's total different picture for speculation. How it looks like, here example, we going down here, white color, white mood on the market. You're not trying to catch the exact bottom. So here we entry to this position, for example, you buying at 35 cents, for example. Then we drop it a little bit lower, and then you can sell it in extreme red color at 49. Speculation for swing trades. We drop it down one more time to disbelief zone to 28. You buying at 28 here. You selling it in extreme red color here. First entry 163, 177, 67, 180. So this is how it works for swing trades, only using market mood. But the higher time frame, the strongest signal, and weekly time frame I use on market mood, just like confirmation of good investment entry point. If you take a look on trade on, base it on trade on weekly, no data. And the last indicator is take profit, base it on take profit. Like you can see here, we traded under fundamental price. All these lines are dynamic. So yes, we have a chance. Like usual, we have a chance to move like this one, move liquidate these guys, you know, and collapse it down. Or we have a chance to move, like I told you before, to take profit on a weekly. 74, exit line 84, over then 18 level by FIB to liquidate this stop losses, this stop losses. So we just can hunt the stop losses. And if you enter, for example, even here on a direction signal, you could make 123 or 150, for example, in this area. Then we have to double check what will happen next for SafePal, so we can see something like this one move, for example, or we can reject and collapse it down one more time. That's why every single time when coin under fundamental value, fundamental price, this last line, you know, it's good time to accumulate because we're long time period here in accumulation stage. So we touch it here. We enter into a 27 zone, 27 area on a weekly. It's always accumulation stage. So we are over than 581 day in accumulation stage under fundamental value and in total disbelief zone. So this is how you can use indicator set to determine the best entry point on a weekly like investment. Also, this indicator set works perfectly well for swing trades, for intraday, even for scalping on 15 or 5-minute time frame. Guys, if you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, only for $1 per day, just write me DM. All links will be on the description below. And you have to know, this indicator set works even on the free trading view plan. So guys, I hope you like this video about SFP. Write please in a comment, what is your price target for SafePal for the next bull run? Do you believe we can hit 1 billion, 3 billion, 5 billion market cap? Thank you for watching. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.